What's up guys, back again, and this time it's another unboxing. The other parcel that I was expecting arrived today, and I've had it best part of a couple of hours, so I've been doing something else, but it's here. I think I know what it is this time, because it can't be the t-shirt from Dr. Disrespect, because that was shipped on Monday. I got an email confirmation yesterday saying it's on its way. Probably going to take maybe a week, but I got an email last night from the guys at Customs saying this is passed, and it's going to go through the mail service. And then I wasn't expecting this to turn up until at least tomorrow, because I got an email yesterday. But anyway, long story short, let's get this out open. Let's tell you what, let's open it from the side. I can tell which way up it is. Okay. This, I can't believe, was a steal. Now, I thought I paid 20 quid for this. I've got the invoice right here. £9.99. Insane. And they pay customs, and the postage I think was really cheap. For Cavalry Squadron. Nice. Now I did order these two because I really like the gun cannon, this type of gun cannon, from the origin. So again, it's, well, same as the last video, just a different variation of the kit, different weapons. Essentially it's probably all the same moulding, I would have thought, with some various changes, but essentially the same. But this is open. That one had the plastic on it. I mean, the box is okay. There's no damages on it. Stand always welcome. And it, yeah, it looks like it's pretty much exactly the same kit, just in different colour. But I paid a tenner, £10. There's nothing. You could buy, if someone buys a pack of cigarettes for that, you can't even get maybe 2 or 3 beers from the pub down, for that price. Excellent stuff. I'm still in the process of trying to get the decals that I have been made aware of the site where to get them from, but the postage is so expensive. It's like £13 for a sheet from model decals. Dyer DL model decals. The postage is a killer. Again, nice simple build, but it's just looks so cool. That is going to be a treat. I might even drill some holes, do some scribing and give this guy an extra bit of detail, but there's enough detail there for it not to be over the top. For a HG kit, that's really good. Like on the thighs there, and here, and some details on the shot, and on the waist sections, and especially on the back. There's so much detail on here for a HD kit. They've really upped their game, and I really appreciate that. And for £10, get yours today. Now I've got these two on Amazon. Apparently they were the last in stock, so I quickly grabbed them. They might have restocked them, I'm not entirely sure, but I think I paid all in all for both kits £23 all in. That's amazing, considering, you know, it's really hard to get Gunpla over in the UK direct from Japan. This was a definitely seller on Amazon, which is really nice. I can't remember the company, so look at the invoice. From Kanagawa, Japan. I think it's Kanazawa-ku, Yokohama. That's probably the area. I'm not sure. I don't know what company it is. Naoki Shiuba. I don't know if that's a company or an individual. But thank you if you see this video. Really appreciate it. You've done me a solid. This is really cheap, looks really awesome. I'm not going to go into it too much because it's the same as the firepower test type, pretty much. And that's about it. I'm waiting for these bits to dry. They've had a varnish, so I can do some panel lining. But I've done some detailing on the inner shoulder pieces, if you like. You're not going to see half of this, but I've done some panel lining and some highlights, and the thruster pieces that go inside the shoulders. I've been busy, but I thought I'd bring you this just to say that it's really cheap. Well, it cost me £10, but it's retailing at 1800 yen. So again, it's standard HD price pretty much. I think, I could be wrong, but £10. What a bonus. Anyway, I don't know whether I'm going to do a giveaway with one of these once it's been painted, because I want to give away the Mark II to a follower who's really into that. So still going to do it, still going to promise, I'm not gonna back out of that. But if I make these two and you know, do some sort of poll, maybe, I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. But there you go. That's enough for me for now, and I will speak to you guys in the next one. Thanks guys.